far so good. Just starting this trip down, getting to get amongst it, see what's wrong with it. As you can see, it needs a bit of a clean down, but all this is going to be coming off. We're going to be doing complete renew ball screws, bearings, linear rails. Everything's going to be replaced more or less, and powder coated up. We're just getting the bulk off of the AHS handling system, and yeah, not doing bad so far. Right, we've got amongst it now. Got all the guards off internally, and as you can see, it's been slightly neglected over the years. We're going to get one final run round now with the guards off before we attack, take the power off, and see how we get on.